In this ukulele lesson, I'm going to share with you one of the best ways to get into fingerstyle playing right away. I'm going to teach you in this video a fingerstyle pattern. We'll apply it to a chord progression, and I'll also teach you some ways to make it feel very effortless and relaxed. Hope you'll get your ukulele and join in. This lesson is a little sample of what I have in store for you at my upcoming ukulele workshop all about fingerstyle. Check the links down below to get your tickets. My workshops are packed with value. You're going to receive 2 back-to-back workshops, a whole bunch of bonus content you can watch anytime as a replay, even if you can't attend live. I'm also preparing a great concert for you where I'll be playing some virtuosic ukulele solos and some soulful songs for you. You'll come away with great techniques, finger patterns. I've composed some etudes for you to study. You'll learn a Spanish solo. We'll even touch upon how to improvise using fingerstyle techniques. Hope you can join me. It's going to be a lot of fun. Links are down below. Early bird registration ends the 15th of March, and patrons will get a special discount. Right now, let's get into the lesson. Let's briefly cover 3 important points of technique. We'll of course go into much more detail during the workshop I just mentioned. Point number 1 is connecting with a relaxed motion of the fingers. Right now I invite you to hold the hand up in the air, see that your wrist is straight, and slowly swing the fingers like this. What I'm doing is I'm moving from the 3rd row of knuckles right here. It's a much more relaxed way of moving the fingers. It's a lot like a toddler waving bye-bye. So go ahead, connect with the idea of the straight wrist, which keeps the tendons and the muscles happy and working efficiently, and just swing the fingers through the air, moving from the 3rd knuckle. The second element is the contact point. So bring your arm to the ukulele, keep the wrist straight, and let's touch the fingers to the uke. The contact point is about finding the precise spot on your finger that it feels most relaxed, and I've drawn a couple of dark lines on my fingertips to show you that I'm touching at the very tip of my finger. A common question is, do I need long fingernails to play fingerstyle? No, you don't. They can add some extra volume, some extra tone color, but you don't need fingernails to begin playing. I would just recommend that you don't touch the string all the way back here. Touch at the very tip of the finger. Let's go ahead and establish that contact point, and now we are ready for element number 3. The third element is the follow-through motion. Let's learn a pattern to practice this. The pattern is outside, inside. Very common pattern. You can use this in so many styles of music. So this is the pattern, and we're gonna follow through the strings, making it feel the same way it moved through the air. The pattern is thumb on the 4th string, middle on the 1st string, thumb on the 3rd string, index on the 2nd string. You see how we're plucking the outside strings with thumb and middle, inside strings with thumb and index. I'm demonstrating this on a C major chord in a high G tuned ukulele. Let's practice this together. You can use any tuning you like. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and outside, inside, outside, inside. We're gonna pick up the speed in a moment, but right now, connect with the technique. Good idea to look at your hand and see it follow through the strings, swinging from the 3rd knuckle. You really don't have to do much. What you're trying to cultivate is this feeling of you're just playing the air. There just happens to be some strings in the way. Let's practice it a little faster now. Follow along with the tablature down below, and if you're enjoying yourself so far, hope you'll click the links down below, learn about my online workshop all about fingerstyle ukulele. See if you can guess what this song is. I'll give you a hint. It's about a famous dog. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Outside, inside, outside. One more time. Snoopy, Snoopy, why did you roam? Come on, Snoopy, Snoopy, come on, Snoopy, come on. So Yes, Snoopy Come Home. Quick example, but you can hear how when we play this even faster, it starts to sound like calypso, starts to sound like all kinds of Latin music and African, West African soukous music. Of course, roots blues music can all be played very well with this pattern. I'm going to teach you so much in my online course. Please check the links down below. There are more finger patterns, some solos for you to learn. Right now, why don't you watch this video again, get comfortable with that idea of following through the string, moving from the third knuckle, letting the strings overlap, and really listen to your sound. Watch your hand. It won't be long before this pattern is so natural and you can apply it to so many tunes. Don't worry about a thing, no, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. That last little variation I did, banjo roll. Thumb, index, middle, thumb, index, middle, thumb, index, middle, thumb, index, middle. If you're still watching this video, I think you're interested in fingerstyle ukulele. Thanks for hanging. Please check the links down below if you'd like to learn a whole lot more and get some wonderful perks with your workshop ticket. Thanks so much. I hope music is treating you well today and that you and your family are doing well, staying safe, staying healthy. Look forward to seeing you in another video soon. Thanks.